Well, good morning. It's about 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock, we finally came out of the room.
We really woke up about 6:30, but we've been just laying in there talking. Anyway, so you know where we're heading. Not where that elevator's going. That one's going the wrong direction. We're going up to the pool area.
Yeah, it's going to be a beautiful day by the pool. I can't wait to see what kind of chair I can find right now.
Okay, here we go. Day 2 underway. Say bye.
Bye, party at 2 cruising.
That's the only thing I don't like about Royal. They let you know when your cruise is almost over, even though ours just started. Today's Friday. That is a big hot tub there. Here's the solarium, but this solarium on this ship doesn't have a roof over it. But it is pretty nice back here. Oh, look, my baby. All right, it's morning time. Spent too much time up there last night. Just kidding. Eggs, we got taters, plenty of bacon. Lots and lots of bacon. Every day, bacon on Royal. Lots of food. Hash browns, chicken sausage, baked beans. I never understood baked beans for breakfast. Someone explained that to me. And then plenty and plenty and plenty of bacon. Eggs, rice, corned beef hash, more sausage. Too many choices. All right, one thing that Royal Caribbean has done is cracked down on the chair hogs. No reserving them. They said they'll wait 30 minutes. If you're not back, they're removing all your stuff. And it's on most of the chairs out here, every other chair. Another horrible day at sea. Doesn't get much better than this. Nice smooth seas. Right over there, you can't see any of them right now. We could see them earlier, but those are the keys. We're just skimming the keys all the way down. If you look, let me see if I can zoom in. You can see some of it. We're right near, I think, Marathon is it. Jogging track and a solarium. Now they closed those doors off. You can't come out those doors anymore. Don't ask me why. I would think it had something to do with the wind issue.
Wake up call for you all. It's a beautiful morning today, and the seas are smooth, as you can probably feel. Very nice weather outside. The time is now just past 9:20. Nice relaxing day at sea today. Of course, I think mainly right now most of you are heading to or are enjoying breakfast. We do have the Windjammer open, of course. Please remember to wash your hands before entering the Windjammer. We also have Grab and Go and Cafe Promenade as well. So if you just want a quick donut or maybe a tea or a coffee, that's a place to head to as well. And we do have breakfast available in the dining room deck 3, but they do close up in about 5 minutes time. So run, Forrest, run. Anyway, lots of activities to enjoy today. Our sports deck is getting ready to open up, along with the water slides at the back of the ship. So have fun in the sun. They actually do have a dance fitness class this morning at 10 o'clock in the Sky Pack. That's up.
When you order a bucket on Royal Caribbean, they're only 12 ounces, but you get 5. I think it was $35. Not too bad, but that's a heck of a bucket. So I told them I wanted a lot of ice. Can't find the beer. All right, as you can see, it's starting to fill up out here. All right, here we are. It's about 11:45 in the morning, and it's time to partake. But I've already showed you the bucket of beer, but we got that at 11. It's always 5 o'clock somewhere. Actually, at this point, it's 5 o'clock nowhere.
Yeah, but I had a skinny margarita. It was delicious.
She likes it. I'll stick to the beer. We tried to drink Miller yesterday.
It is.
Sorry.
No, we didn't like it as much. We liked the ultra.
We tried to get political and boycott, but couldn't do it.
Lasted like a weekend. Last weekend, that's it.
Yeah. Now, maybe if you're already drunk, then it might work,
No,
but we're not drunk,
doing it.
so
We're not drunk.
not working.
We're not
So,
getting drunk.
because again, I'm paying for drinks on here, so whew, we're done.
Cheers.
We're done for the cruise.
But the pool area is very nice.
Send
this
money.
year.
Yeah.
The pool area is very nice. But
Send
it's
money.
very, very busy, and all the bathrooms are very, very busy, and they're overloaded. Let's put it that way. I walked through the ice cream line just a while ago, and it's about a quarter mile long to get an ice cream cone.
But
So-
when she said the toilets are overloaded, no pun intended.
No, but they're bad. They're very bad. And the ship-
Only in the girls.
But
The guys are
but
fine.
it could be because the ice cream line's so long. They're eating ice cream and going to the bathroom. I don't know.
All right, we're gonna leave on
We
that
can't
note.
even get an ice cream. It's a mile long now.
No more skinny margaritas for her. We're out.
Wow.
Bye. So as you know, on Carnival, it's self-serve for the ice cream. This is the line for ice cream because they serve it. That's the line. Uncopyrighted music.
And I hear the morning.
It's a bucket of limes. Little Adriana drinks a little beer with her limes. And she'll just keep adding those limes to her glass. Watch, you're gonna dump the limes in the cup. Before you know it, those limes will be all the way to the bottom. Oh boy, she's a judge for the sexiest man contest. I wish they'd have a sexy woman contest. I'd be involved in that.
So guys, pay attention. Here, let's start with this one. Who think that this guy is the sexiest guy on the pool? Make some noise! Your friends. Who think that Mr. Pop is the sexiest guy on the pool? Okay. Who think that Mr. Guy with the hat is the sexiest guy on the pool? Oh, so far you are in the lead. Who think that this guy is the sexiest guy on the pool? Make some noise! You are both still in the lead. And now, who think that this guy can be
And she's my favorite judge, of course.
Here's the lime update. Adriana's 3/4 full with lime. She likes a little lime with her beer. Terry somehow ended up from a margarita to that looking thing. I wouldn't even drink that. And give me my beer back.
Very good. This is good.
It's the Adriana lime update. How many limes? Calm him down. again, I am not here to badmouth Royal Caribbean at all. We're having a great time out here, and but all the bathrooms, they're backing up, full of poop. They got to get something going here because we might rename this the Poop Cruise. Now our cabins are fine, but it's all the public bathrooms. They're all backing up. Well, just in time for the end of the song. Terry's still in the pool with Adriana, and I'm not sure who that is, but no comment. Still packed out here. It's about 2:35. We're good. They're the morning crew. Can't believe they gave our table away.
No, we're only 5 minutes late.
5 minutes late, they gave our table away.
Yeah, 5 minutes out the window. I'm not going to eat.
I'm eating.
Okay, stay tuned.
Get Terry, what's your first appetizer?
I got French onion soup. Pat thought it was his.
I did think it was mine, and I also got escargot. You know. My second appetizer, French onion soup. Now that's a lot of cheese. I won't be eating all that. Terry's second appetizer is wedge salad.
Yummy, yummy.
Still working on my French onion soup. Terry got the beef tenderloin.
Yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy. And I got the seafood carbonara. Yummy. Terry got cordon bleu. I'm still working on my first one. My last appetizer, maybe my last entree. Okay. My second entree it's curry lamb. Not what I thought it was. I thought it would be like lamb chops or a piece of meat, but and then it comes with the tortillas. I don't really want the tortillas, but we'll try it. I like spicy, so we're gonna try it. And Terry got the apple cobbler, and we're gonna share. What are these called?
Cream puffs.
Cream puffs. And I also got the apple cobbler. Yum, yum. Sky bar's closed, pool bar's closing, and then we got a little bit of a concert going on the stage, on the screen, excuse me. And there's where it's all happening, right there. And there you go. This pool is closed. That one is open, but this one is closed. All the water, bye-bye. Fresh water tomorrow. All right, there's the elevator. Remember, there's only 2 decks of elevators. I mean, 2 banks of elevators here in the aft of the ship and way down there forward. And that's the promenade. Pretty crowded. But here's the thing about inside cabins. You can see right into their room if you don't close your drapes. Not sure I'd like that. All right, day 2, almost in the books, because she's going you know where.
I'm very tired, yes.
She's very upset though.
I'm not upset.
No, she's upset. They don't have HGTV. She can't watch David tonight.
That's it. I want to watch David.
See? She can't watch David.
Now I'm upset. I didn't know I was upset, but now I'm upset.
Now she's upset.
Thanks, Pat.
Okay, anyway.
But now a little happy.
Because, hang on. Start showing them what you got, babe. Our closing night.
Zone 3.
Oh,
Alpha,
cookies.
Alpha,
And
Alpha.
even I got an oatmeal cookie. Oatmeal raisin.
Cookies are
Alpha,
good.
Right.
Alpha,
So anyway,
But
so
guess what else I got?
Deck 5, Promenade, Zone 3.
Cream puff.
sounds like an emergency going
Cream
on.
puff and some Moose. I'm so happy. But I want to eat this while I watch David.
No, David.
Oh well, I got.
But
Pat.
at least she got cookies.
And I got and I got Patrick.
And she got me.
He's so
So-
cute.
Anyway,
Yeah, and guess what else I got? Guess what else?
she's got
Diet Coke.
Diet Coke with Diet Coke.
I love Diet Coke because you know why Diet Coke is good too.
Yeah, but you know what's better? Tell them what's better, babe.
Guess what else is better? Than, no,
Look
I
at
don't
that.
know
Look
if
at the size of that bad
It's
boy.
not better than Diet Coke, but
Hot
it is
chocolate.
good.
And you know what the best part about this hot chocolate is? They had to make it
God, it's
for
hot.
us.
Hot
It's not a
chocolate.
machine on here on Royal Caribbean.
It's good.
They made it for us.
But
So,
it's hot. Watch out, it's hot. I'm telling you, it's hot. It's hot. Let me see if I can.
but it is good. I will say it's good. The cup is hot. Not the hot chocolate.
It's delicious.
It is. So anyway, so tomorrow we're going to Paradise Beach, and we're going to compare Paradise Beach to Mr. Sancho's. See which one's better. Some people said they were
Cookies
bored
or
at
hot
Paradise
chocolate?
Beach, but you can't take other people's word for it. We're going to do it ourselves. She's out of control.
Cookies are.
Anyway, we're going to bed. I mean, she's going to bed.
I'm not going to bed.
I'm going to the
no,
casino.
I'm going to watch TV.
You're not watching David.
Whatever's on, I'm going to watch me by cooking.
She likes
Good
David.
night.
All right, good night. We'll see you tomorrow. Okay, we came back to our room and wow, there's mood lighting. Ooh. What do you think, babe? You think it's...
Very nice. Very, very nice.
Should I stick around or should I just go to the casino?
You're luckier there.
I'm luckier in the casino, she said.